Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Bitcoin is getting destroyed right now. It's dropping massively, 18,500. In the last video I opened some shorts, but I had set the shorts to open a little bit higher than we were. We didn't have any bounce back that I expected, and Bitcoin dropped even more. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button, comment on every video. 5 winners are going to be chosen every month for $200 each, $1,000 given away. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in Bitcoin, a massive drop right now, and unfortunately this short that I had set, if it had, like I expected, that would get a little bit of a bounce back. It would open the short at 19,400, then the drop, but the drop is happening before the short opened. And if you're buying Bitcoin here, my targets to buy more Bitcoin are, make sure you DCA, so split up your capital. Where I think Bitcoin can come down are these blue trend lines. So we've got a lot of places to be dropping on Bitcoin: 17,500, 14,000, 11,000. So if you have $1 million, for example, put only 300k here, 300k here, 300k here. If you have $10,000, $3,000 here, $3,000 here, 3,000. In my opinion, you have to always do your own due diligence, but that's my opinion. So Bitcoin right now is dropping. The stochastic is free falling on the 4-hourly. Stochastic dropping, RSI dropping, squeeze mob dropping, nothing supporting it. Hourly also all turning down, so we're getting a really big drop here. We're way below the EMA ribbons, dropping, just free falling down. Bitcoin's on a free fall. VPVR, we have no supports down here, unfortunately. Crypto, it's too close to the time frame. Let's go out on the hourly. Crypto Guru Bot still showing a sell, and it actually fired a sell all the way back here. You can see that it turned red and fired a sell up at 31,000. Now we're sitting at 18,000. So you can get the Crypto Guru Bot in the Crypto Master Course, the link down below. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell up here before this big drop. No buyers yet. They're not indicating to start buying yet. That short is still in play. It's just right now would be massively in the profits. Unfortunately, I didn't get I set the trades, but it didn't get any bounce back before the drop. It would have been nicer to open the trade, and then it would be huge in the profits, but okay. Where I would set a short right now is same. I would open a short, a little bit bounce from where we are. I would open the short now because Bitcoin doesn't have much support here. Setting the stop loss above, but be careful because if it turns, you're just going to get wicked out very quickly. So expect that this trade will most likely get stop lost, but that's okay because I would be risking $296 to make $1,054. So it's a 3.56 ratio trade, risking 296 to make 1,054. That's 5%. With 10x leverage, that's 50% profits, $10,000 worth of profits. That's the short I would open on Bitcoin right now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath the video in the description, you go down below, there's a link to ByBit trading competition. If you use that link and sign up to ByBit, that you go into the $8 million prize pool competition. You can win $8 million. And again, the Crypto Master Course with the Crypto Guru Bot is down there in the links in the description as well. So using this ByBit link, that will open this trading software. In here, I took a big hit in this account because I bought 2 Bitcoin in here, 171, almost 172,000 in here. I've got 56,000 USDC, 51,000, 2 Bitcoin, which have dropped massively today. And I've got ready to buy orders for Bitcoin, 13,700, 17,700, 13,000. I'm going to also set another buy order for Bitcoin, 10,000. So I'm going to set another one. Okay, but I can do that later as it comes down because those will execute. And I had shorts open on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I had a short to open at 19,440 earlier today, but Bitcoin didn't have any of that bounce back to open the short, so unfortunate. But I'm going to be opening a short right now on Bitcoin. I'll open it. Should I open it with a little bit of a bounce back? That's the thing. 15 minutes, we're also oversold, but it doesn't look like any bounce back. There's just going to be more panic in the market. So I'm going to open the short where we're sitting, stop loss just above. I'll just open, if it wicks back, it's just going to close that short. So I'm going to open the short now, stop loss at 18,781. I'll just do a small trade. So I'm going to close this short. I'm going to do a small trade on Bitcoin, $200. Order price, on Bitcoin. So I've got to switch, that's Ethereum. Bitcoin, it's going to be a 20x leverage short. So opening a short at the current price. This trade here, so it's just going to load in 1 second here. Opening short now, stop loss 18,781 and take profit at 17.5. So opening a short right now, I'll do a $200 short with 20x leverage. That's a $4,000 short. Opening short, confirmed. That trade is now open. My stop loss and take profit now is going to be set. So I'm going to set a take profit at 17,500 and the stop loss 18,800. So 17,500 and 18,800. So I'm risking $38 to make $232. Confirm. That trade is now open. So if it wicks up, it's going to hit the stop loss at 18,800. If it goes down, it's going to take profit at 17,500. That's a $200 short. At $200 short with 20x leverage, meaning it's around a, how much is this trade? Let's look at how much. It's a total trade of 2.2 Bitcoin. So around $200 trade, 10x leverage, $4,000 short. I'm going to actually add more to that. I'm going to add more, so it's going to be an $8,000 short. Confirm, because the risk, so now it's an $8,000 short, 0.4 Bitcoin. Stop loss is 18,800. So I'm risking $65 to make $477, which is a nice risk to reward ratio trade. That trade is now set. My Ethereum trade is unfortunately not open either, because Ethereum dropped massively as well, and it didn't have time. It didn't have time to execute that Ethereum trade. Let's look at Ethereum. So Ethereum has 1965. It would have opened, this was the trade that I had set for Ethereum. I expected that we would have had a bounce back before it executed the trade, but no bounce back. That would also be big in the profits right now. You could also open this short on Ethereum. It's a nice risk to reward. Stop loss just above. Opening the short where we are right now. Stop loss just here above, and the take profit here. So that's a nice trade in my opinion. Let's see how it's about 3-to-1. 3.2 ratio trade, risking $40 to make $130. Opening the trade now, stop loss at 1,006. So I'm going to open a short on Ethereum as well. So my Bitcoin trade is slightly in the profits. I'm going to open a short on Ethereum as well. $200 short, opening a short right now. Open short, $200 with, is it a 20x leverage? Yes, 20x leverage short at the current price. Opening short, 20x leverage short. Done. That short is now open on Ethereum as well. Stop loss will be at $835 will be the take profit. 1,010 is the stop loss. 1,010 will be the stop loss. $836 was the take profit. 836. So I'm risking, must be low, 1,000. Stop loss will be at 1,010. Stop loss will be lower than estimated liquidation price. Weird. 836 will be $521 profits. Where is the liquidation? The liquidation is at 1,008. Okay, beautiful. So that trade is now set. It's risking 1,008. So let's see, 1,008. So I'm risking $173 to make $521 with a $200 trade, which is beautiful. Those trades open. Ethereum trade is $5 in the profits. Now I'm going to leave them. They're either going to hit their take profit. So what I'm expecting is Ethereum comes down, hits the profit of 838. And to buy Ethereum for long-term buys, spot positions, these are the supports that I see for Ethereum. It can drop a lot more, so be very careful with Ethereum. It is very cheap now, though, from the $4,000 mark. But these are the supports. We have one big one at 835, so expect a very big bounce there. And then under that, the next big support is down here at 510, and then the major one at 348. Let's see if it can hold there. Again, if you want to trade using ByBit, down below under the description, sign up to ByBit. You get that the $8 million prize pool. Use that link to get in the prize pool. You also get a giant bonus when you sign up and trade on ByBit. Let's look at Bitcoin again. And I'm starting to buy Bitcoin here also. So I've got these short-term shorts, but I've got a lot of buy orders for Bitcoin laddered down on these blue lines. So this is where I'm going to be buying Bitcoin at 17,500, 14,000, and 11,000. A lot of buy orders down there. So those are my thoughts. And I do think, be careful. Don't put all your money in one go. Bitcoin can really pull back to that 11,000. Hit the subscribe button. Join 75,000 people. Smash up thumbs up button. Love you all. Comment down below. My team is giving away $1,000 a month. 5 people get $200 each. Thank you for watching. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.